Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion workspaces versus Teamspaces. We'll dive into the core distinctions, helping you understand how each structure functions within Notion. You'll learn how to leverage them for both individual productivity and robust team collaboration. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which option is the perfect fit for your specific organizational requirements, ensuring your Notion setup is optimized for success. A Notion workspace serves as the foundational, top-level container for all your pages and databases. Think of it as your entire digital office. It can be a personal space for just one user or shared among a small team, perhaps up to 10 individuals. Access and permissions are generally set on a page-by-page basis. This setup is perfect for personal organization or for small, dynamic teams that require a high degree of flexibility in their collaborative efforts. A Teamspace, in contrast, is a more structured, isolated environment residing within a larger Notion workspace. It's designed to provide enhanced privacy and granular access control for specific teams or departments. Within a Teamspace, you can assign roles such as Teamspace admin or member, each with predefined permissions, ensuring information security. This robust structure is ideal for larger organizations that require clear departmental segregation and a highly controlled flow of sensitive information across multiple groups. When deciding between a workspace and a Teamspace, consider your team's size and how much information segregation you truly need. Workspaces are straightforward and excellent for personal use or small, agile teams, perhaps up to 10 members. However, for larger departments or organizations with multiple teams, Teamspaces offer superior security and organizational capabilities. Evaluate your specific collaboration patterns and the sensitivity of your data to make the most informed decision for your Notion architecture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.